Guys, this is massive. The mansion of Eaglet and Jennyslimzy.
This one is our sitting room. Let me give you guys the house stuff. This is the sitting room. When you come in, you will sit down here. Okay? So,
Yeah.
this is our sitting room. Our sitting room. Okay, here's our kitchen. So when you start cooking the most delicious food, don't be, so this is our kitchen, okay?
Yeah, and we have a little store inside.
Yes, everything is here. And here's our storeroom. We are going to be keeping everything you would like to see.
Yes,
Hey, hola, Maka. Hola, Maka. So this is our kitchen, you guys.
Wow.
So let me take you guys to the master bedroom.
Master bedroom immediately.
we never go visitors room.
Eh?
You don't have it inside.
You never go my own room? What of my room?
Okay, you guys. What a beautiful home.
Wow. Massive work.
So in case you want to visit us, your room is already ready. Your room is here, okay? So this is visitor room, so beautiful.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
So perfect.
So
Very
perfect.
massive. This is massive, baby. You have your washroom, your toilet. You relax, okay?
You feel at home.
Maybe it's telling you to feel at home.
Wow, this staircase is stepping. Oh, keep on.
It's you, look for.
I'm seeing it, my love. So come with us to the Oga Pata of them up. Hey.
Lounge.
Yeah, here is the lounge. Wow.
First floor when you come in. This one is Chimobi room.
That's ghost room.
This one I go to.
Okay, go there.
Now you come they share the room now.
Go over Sabi auntie. Sabi auntie there. Hey, you guys.
This is Kaima's room.
No, that's Chimobi's room.
Okay.
Wow.
This is Chimobi's room.
Up see there.
No.
This is master bedroom side.
I will go there now.
Wow,
This is Chimobi.
In our room, we'll get Waka. Chimobi, I got it. Thank you.
It's not easy.
Okay, can you? Wow. Baby, Kaima, this is so beautiful.
Wow.
So nice. Thank you, mommy and daddy.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, this one.